Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
Yes, this is your place to learn real English in a natural, easy, and fun way.
And if you enjoy learning English through conversations like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps us.
Plus, it makes Tom very happy.
Very, very happy.
All right, let's introduce ourselves quickly. I'm Anna,
And I'm Tom.
and today we're talking about something small but super important.
Tiny words, but big confusion.
Yes, we're talking about a, an, and the.
The three little troublemakers of English.
But don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you'll feel much more confident.
Okay, Anna, let's start simple. What is a and an?
Great question. So, a and an are called articles. They are used when we talk about something general.
General.
Yes, not specific, just any one thing.
Okay, give me an example.
Sure, I saw a dog.
So, not a specific dog, just some random dog.
Exactly. Maybe a small dog, maybe a big dog. We don't know.
Okay, I like that. So, a means any one.
Perfect, Tom.
Wait, then what about an?
Here's the simple rule. We use a before consonant sounds and an before vowel sounds.
Oh no, grammar rule alert?
Relax, it's easier than it sounds.
Okay, I'm listening.
Say this, a cat.
A cat.
C is a consonant sound, so we use a.
Got it.
Now say an apple.
An apple.
Apple starts with a vowel sound, so we use an.
So it's about sound, not just the letter.
Yes, very important, Tom.
Oh wow, that's interesting.
For example, an hour.
Wait, ours starts with H.
Yes, but the H is silent. It sounds like hour.
Oh, so an hour makes sense.
Exactly.
This is already less scary.
Good. Let's try some quick examples.
Okay, quiz time?
Yes. Ready?
I was born ready.
A car.
A car.
Correct. A orange.
An orange.
Nice. A university.
An university?
Trick question.
Oh no.
It's actually a university
What? Why?
because it sounds like university. That U sound is a consonant sound.
English is sneaky.
Very sneaky.
Okay, I need more practice.
Don't worry, we'll do a lot of practice today.
Good, because my brain is already working hard.
Now let's talk about the.
Yes, the boss of articles.
Exactly. The is used when we talk about something specific.
So, not just any dog, but a specific dog.
Yes. For example, I saw a dog. That's general.
Okay,
But if I say, the dog was very cute, now we're talking about a specific dog.
oh, so now we both know which dog.
Exactly.
That makes sense.
Let's build a little story.
Oh, I like stories.
I saw a cat in the street.
Okay, any cat.
The cat was black.
Now it's that same cat.
Yes, you see how we moved from a cat to the cat?
Yeah, first time is general, second time is specific.
Perfect, Tom.
Wait, I feel smarter already.
You should.
Let's try real-life examples.
Yes, imagine you're at a cafe.
My favorite place.
You say, "Can I have a coffee?"
Any coffee.
Exactly, but then the waiter brings it.
And I say, the coffee is great.
Yes, because now it's specific.
I love this.
Let's try another situation, shopping.
Dangerous situation.
You say, "I want to buy a shirt."
Any shirt.
Then you find one you like.
And I say, the shirt is perfect.
Exactly.
This is actually fun.
See? Grammar doesn't have to be boring.
Let's do some quick conversation practice.
Yes, repeat after us, okay?
Speak out loud. Don't be shy.
I saw a movie yesterday.
Your turn.
The movie was amazing.
Again.
I met a girl at the party.
Your turn.
The girl was very friendly.
Nice. Keep going.
I bought a book.
Your turn.
The book is interesting.
Great job.
Now let's make it a little more natural.
Real conversation time?
Yes.
Anna, I went to a restaurant yesterday.
Oh, really? How was the restaurant?
The food was amazing, but the service was slow.
Oh, no, I hate slow service.
Me too. I ordered a burger.
And how was the burger?
The burger was delicious.
Now this is making me hungry.
Same.
Notice how we used a restaurant first.
Then the restaurant.
Exactly.
Okay, Anna, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Can we always use the when something is known?
Good question. Usually, yes, if both people know what you're talking about.
Like, close the door.
Yes, because we both know which door.
Even if we didn't say a door before?
Correct, because in that situation, it's obvious.
Oh, context matters.
Exactly.
English is all about context.
Very true.
Let's try daily life phrases.
Yes, super useful.
Turn on the light.
Open the window.
Pass me the salt.
The phone is ringing.
These all use the because they are specific.
Yes.
Okay, now I want to try something funny.
Oh no, should I be worried?
Maybe.
Okay, go ahead.
I saw a ghost last night.
What?
Relax, relax. Just grammar practice.
Okay, continue.
The ghost was wearing a hat.
That's a stylish ghost.
I know, right?
See, even with funny examples, the rule works.
This is actually helping me remember.
Good.
Let's do a quick challenge.
Okay,
I'll say a sentence, and you correct me if I'm wrong.
let's do it.
I ate an banana.
Nope, it should be a banana.
Right, because B is a consonant sound.
Exactly.
She is a honest person,
Trick again, it should be an honest person.
because H is silent.
Yes.
I'm learning.
I'm proud of you, Tom.
Thank you, Anna. That means a lot.
Wait, a lot or the lot?
Haha, a lot.
Okay.
You're getting playful now.
Always. All right, let's do one more mini story.
I love these.
I saw a man in a park.
Okay,
The man was reading a book.
got it.
The book looked very old.
Nice.
I asked the man about the book.
Everything is becoming specific.
Yes.
This really helps.
I'm glad.
But, Hannah, I feel like there's still more.
Oh, yes, there's more.
I knew it.
Don't worry, we'll go deeper in the next part.
More examples, more practice, more real conversations.
And maybe more ghosts.
Please no.
All right, everyone, we're just getting started.
If this is helping you, keep watching. Okay, Anna, so far we understand a, an, and the in basic situations.
Yes, but now let's go deeper into real English.
The part where things get a little tricky?
Just a little, but don't worry, we'll keep it simple.
Good, because my brain needs kindness.
Same here, honestly.
Okay, what's next?
Let's talk about something important. When we don't use articles.
Wait, we don't always use them?
Exactly.
English, why are you like this?
Haha. For example, we don't usually use a, an, or the with general plural nouns.
Example, please?
I like cats.
Not, I like the cats?
No, because you mean all cats in general.
Oh, so general idea, no article.
Yes,
So what about, I like the cats?
that means specific cats. Maybe the cats in your house.
Ah, okay, that changes everything.
Let's try more.
I'm ready.
I'm ready too. People are friendly.
Not the people?
Only if you mean specific people.
Got it.
Books are useful.
General again.
Exactly.
This is actually important.
Very important.
Okay, what about uncountable nouns?
Good question. For general uncountable nouns, we also don't use articles.
Example?
I love music.
Not the music?
Only if you mean specific music. Like, the music in this movie is amazing.
Perfect. I'm getting it.
Let's make a quick comparison.
Okay.
I drink water.
General.
The water is cold.
Specific.
Yes.
This pattern is everywhere.
Exactly, Tom.
Okay, Anna. I want more real-life situations.
Let's do travel.
Ooh, I like this.
You say, I need a ticket.
Any ticket.
Then, where is the ticket?
Specific ticket.
Yes. What about hotel?
We booked a hotel.
Any hotel. The hotel is beautiful.
That same hotel.
Exactly.
This is starting to feel natural.
That's the goal.
Okay, let's talk about something confusing.
Uh-oh.
Go to school versus go to the school.
Ah, yes, this is a classic.
I never understand this.
Okay, listen carefully.
I'm focused.
Go to school means you go there for studying.
The purpose.
Yes, but go to the school means you are going to the building.
Oh.
Same with go to bed.
Sleep.
But go to the bed means physically going to that bed.
This is so interesting.
Let's try more.
Yes, please.
I'm at work.
Working.
I'm at the work.
That sounds wrong.
Exactly. We usually say at work.
Okay.
He is in prison.
As a prisoner.
He is in the prison.
Just visiting the building?
Yes,
Wow. Meaning changes completely.
exactly.
Okay, Anna, I feel like I need practice.
Let's do a quick Q&A.
I'm nervous.
Don't be. I saw blank elephant.
An elephant.
Good. Blank elephant was huge.
The elephant.
Perfect. I like blank coffee.
No article?
Yes, because it's general.
Blank coffee you made is great.
The coffee.
Yes.
You're doing amazing.
Thank you, coach. Let's do a longer conversation.
Okay.
Anna, I met a guy yesterday.
Oh, really? Tell me about the guy.
The guy was very funny. He told me a story.
What kind of story?
It was about a dog and a cat.
And what happened?
The dog chased the cat, but the cat climbed a tree.
Classic.
I know, right?
See how natural this feels?
Yes, I didn't even think too much.
That's progress.
Okay, let's add expressions.
Yes, this is important for real English.
In a minute.
Have a look.
Take a break.
Make a decision.
Go for a walk.
Have a good time.
These all use
Yes, very common phrases.
What about the?
The best day ever.
The way you speak.
The more you practice, the better you get.
Oh, I like that one.
Me too.
Let's do speaking practice.
Yes, repeat after us.
I saw a bird.
Your turn.
The bird was beautiful.
Again.
I bought a phone.
Your turn.
The phone is expensive.
Good.
I love music.
Your turn.
The music is loud.
Excellent.
This repetition really helps.
Yes, keep practicing like this daily.
Okay, Anna, can we do a short story?
Of course.
I love stories.
One day, a girl found a wallet.
Okay.
The wallet was on the street. Inside the wallet, there was a photo.
Interesting.
The girl wanted to find the owner.
Good person.
She went to a police station.
Nice.
The police officer helped her.
Happy ending?
Yes, the owner got the wallet back.
I like this story.
And you learned grammar too.
Double win.
Exactly.
Okay, Anna, let's summarize.
Yes.
And an are general.
First time, not specific.
The is specific.
Known or already mentioned.
No article is general plural or uncountable.
Perfect summary, Tom.
I feel proud.
You should.
Okay, everyone, quick question for you.
Yes, answer in the comments.
Which sentence is correct? I saw a moon or I saw the moon.
Think carefully.
And write your answer below.
We read your comments.
And we love them.
All right, time to say goodbye.
We hope this lesson helped you understand an, and the.
Keep practicing every day.
Speak out loud
Make mistakes.
and learn from them.
Don't forget to subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
Like the video if you enjoyed it.
And share it with a friend.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.